Alright, this is a quick tour of the fans in my apartment and get some input on adding the third fan. So, as we come into my bedroom, we have the Emerson 1895 series. This is a studio apartment, so everything's connected. Over here is the living room. I got the Hunter original. But then as we come over here into the kitchen dining room, I have these light fixtures that I'd like to replace. So what's above those is those shitty blue boxes. I actually took down the light fixture here because I was going to put a 36-incher, and I didn't realize until I installed it, because I have this like 9-foot tall door, there's only about 6 inches of clearance up there, and there's just, it hit the blades as soon as you open the door. There's no way to put a fan. But we could have one here in line with that original, replacing one of these light fixtures. And it would have to be, I think, a 36-inch fan so the blades don't hit the other light. Of course, we could just replace both lights. But then the other option, or the other problem, is that we have one of those dimmer switches for this. So it's going to be a fan on a dimmer and on the same thing as a light, unless I just replace this with an on-off switch, run the fan off the pull chain. But I still think it'd be cool just to have 3 fans visible, because you can see the 1895 over there, the original here, and if we added a third fan here, especially if they were 3 of the same, maybe if I did 3 white 1895s, who knows, we'll see.